When you're doing plays that are about real events, these are the stories that need to be told, I feel. We need to tell these stories to give people an idea. This shit really happens.
An original work, Brett Neveu has penned it, so we will be the first people to put it up on stage, which is very, very exciting.
To get to be the voice of, you know, a true event that doesn't get much light, shed much light on or get spoken about, so that's exciting too.
Terry is a young man who finds himself in an unfortunate position between a rock and a hard place.
It's been a great conversation with Timeline. This specific story. Toured around Milwaukee, went to the locations where this stuff took place, and it deepened my involvement in the story, my desire to get it right, my connection to Timeline and its mission statement, and making sure that it fits in history in a certain way. And all of those choices make for good theater.
It just makes you think, and that's what you want to do when you come to the theater. That's how I feel. Theater is active, and we are activists when we do it. It's supposed to make you think and make you act and do things. And that's what I think this play does, and that's what will make it a special thing.